Hello, Whistle here with a quick reminder. We have friends everywhere, and here is one of them.
Thank you, Whistle. Hello, my name is Jenny. We want to demonstrate how you can supercharge your garden potting mix by blending with REGENiCHARGE. This video is intended for the home gardener or small organic farmer. We will start with 2 cubic feet of high-quality organic soil or potting mix. Feel free to use your own organic compost as well. Simply mix in 1 gallon, 1/2 bag of REGENiCHARGE for most applications. This is about 6% by volume. Here is a short preview of how to load garden socks with your supercharged potting mix for an instant, small footprint organic garden. Our tests and analyses have shown that after 1 growing season, the soil in the socks is very high in the beneficial soil microbiome that feeds your plants. Don't throw it away.